Medical malpractice claims against hospitals in Kenya are increasing. According to court records and legal reporting in Kenya, medical negligence claims against hospitals have increased steadily over the past decade, with courts awarding multi-million shilling compensation in several cases. A single lawsuit can cost a hospital millions of shillings, damage its reputation, and threaten its ability to operate. In this explainer guide, Step-by-Step Insurance explains how to choose the best hospital malpractice insurance in Kenya. Hospital malpractice insurance, also known as Medical Professional Indemnity Insurance, protects hospitals against claims arising from medical negligence. This includes errors or omissions, misdiagnosis, delayed treatment, surgical mistakes, and patient injury or death linked to professional medical services. In Kenya, hospitals are frequently named directly in malpractice lawsuits. That is why institutional malpractice insurance is no longer optional, it is essential. In this current era, the risk facing hospitals continues to rise. Patients are more aware of their rights. Courts are awarding higher compensation, and regulatory oversight is becoming stricter. Without proper malpractice insurance, hospitals face heavy legal costs, large compensation payments, operational disruption, and long-term reputational damage. The best hospital malpractice insurance provides comprehensive protection. It covers legal defense costs, court-awarded damages and settlements, as well as vicarious liability for doctors, nurses, interns, and other medical staff. Extended cover may include surgical procedures, maternity services, diagnostics, emergency care, and outpatient treatment depending on the hospital's scope of services. Hospital malpractice insurance is critical for private hospitals, public and county hospitals, faith-based facilities, and teaching or referral hospitals. Even when individual doctors have their own cover, the hospital itself must still be insured. The cost of hospital malpractice insurance in Kenya depends on factors such as hospital size, number of beds, services offered, staffing levels, and claims history. Choosing the right policy means focusing on coverage quality and protection, not just the lowest premium. A poorly structured policy can fail when a claim arises, leaving the hospital fully exposed. Step-by-Step Insurance specializes in healthcare insurance solutions across Kenya. We work with leading insurers to design tailored malpractice insurance policies that match each hospital's specific risk profile. We also provide expert advice, policy reviews, and claims support every step of the way. Protect your hospital, your staff, and your reputation. Contact Step-by-Step Insurance today for a professional consultation and a customized hospital malpractice insurance solution for 2026. Step-by-Step Insurance, protecting healthcare institutions across Kenya.